Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good. And today's video was like such a requested video. Every time you guys wanted to know my skincare routines, I was like, chalo finally कर ही लेते हैं. Though let me tell you, I'm not really a person who has a long routine. I hardly use like 2-3 products and I am good to go. Because honestly, I'm like a pure lazy bum. Also for today's video, I'm not wearing any makeup because I really wanted you guys to see my skin. So I'm just wearing a sunscreen, थोड़ा सा काजल and थोड़ा सा eyebrow powder. Like I've just filled my eyebrows. That's all about it. Okay, now let me tell you guys how this video is gonna go. This video is divided into two types of people. First, the super lazy bum people like me and who do not apply a lot of makeup, and second, people who really have to apply a lot of makeup. The other part of me, where I have to attend shoots and events and all of that, and I definitely need a skincare routine there because trust me guys, let me tell you one thing. अगर आप बहुत सारा cosmetics नहीं apply करते हो तो आपको 50 चीज़ें यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है इन स्किन केयर रूटीन. यू कैन जस्ट गो विद 2 things, but if you are using a lot of makeup, then definitely you need a good skincare routine. So I'm going to be showing you both of them, and at the end of the video I'm also going to be talking about some DIY things that I personally use, like face mask and face scrubs, क्योंकि I love using home remedies, and that especially that works for my skin. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just begin with the video. Okay, so we'll begin with the first product, which is common for both types of people, that is sunscreen. Now this is one of my favorites, Neutrogena SPF 55. I freaking love this one. कभी कभार मुझे ऐसा लगता है इसको अप्लाई करने के बाद ना I don't really need makeup at all, because I don't know why, but it gives a different tint to my face, like a pinkish tint, but I really love that. So yeah, this has to be the first one. Now second, using a good face wash. I am in love with the Himalayan Neem face wash. Like hands up, मतलब उस face wash के आगे तो मुझे आज तक कुछ इतना ज़्यादा better लगा ही नहीं है. But I really don't have right now because lockdown की वजह से ख़त्म हो चुका है, and I am not able to get one more. But yeah, that's something that I use as face wash. Now one more thing that you can do early mornings is just take a bowl of ice and water and dip your face for 5-10 seconds, and then again come out, dip your face, and do repeatedly like 4-5 times, and you're gonna be seeing such a good difference. I mean, वो skin को इतना refreshing और hydrating feel करवाता है, and I really love doing that every morning. That really helps my skin a lot. Now next, after face wash, let's move on to the moisturizer. Now कुछ products ऐसे होंगे जो मैं drug store और high end दोनों बताऊँगी, because of course सबको budget friendly होने चाहिए. So I use these two moisturizers. One is the Wow का moisturizer. I freaking love this one, aloe vera. I mean, it just absorbs in my skin so nicely, and it is not sticky at all. Second, chia seed from Face Shop. I really love this one as well. मतलब पता नहीं क्यों, it really gives you a good shine on your face, and it's very hydrating. So I love this one as well. Now the third thing and the last thing is you can use a good lip balm. Now I am a person who changes lip balm every now and then, but this is my current favorite. This is from Nivea Lip Care. It's like a mint वाला taste, and I love all that minty lip balm. तो एकदम बहुत ठंडा ठंडा सा लगता है. So I sort of really love this one. And wash your face 2 to 3 times in a day. That really helps your face to be away from all the dirt and impurities, especially when you're out for an activity and you come home and you have that sweaty face. Please don't avoid it. Please wash your face as much as you can. I legit wash my face more than 3 times in a day. Now let's move on to the other type of people. Let me tell you, face mask and face scrub हम last में करेंगे. I'll give you those DIYs later in the end. ठीक है? Now for the people who love a lot of makeup, we'll start with makeup remover. So for the budget friendly one, I really love this one, Garnier Micellar Water. It's a really good makeup remover. And for people who you really apply like damn इतना ज़्यादा वाला eyeshadows and you know like matte lipsticks and all of that, I freaking love this one. Like this Mango Seed Lip and Eye Makeup Remover. This is crazy. Any sort of heavy eye makeup or lips, it's gonna remove within that one swipe. So I really love this one. And for the entire face, I love using this Face Shop का पूरा Herb Day Cleansing Cream. क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, you can just take some in your palm and you can just go over your entire face. It's very easy and quick, and I don't want to waste this all over my face. I only use this for my eyes and lip. Now next, moving on to the face wash. As I mentioned, I love using the Himalaya one, but currently I also love using all the Wow face washes. इसके पहले मेरे पास I think apple cider vinegar था, वो भी बहुत अच्छा था. And especially because of this brush, what happens is जब आप makeup पूरा निकाल भी लेते हो, you really need a good face wash to remove all the dirt. So this is the Wow Activated Charcoal charcoal foaming face wash. This is something that I really like. Next, I love using a toner only on the days when I really apply a lot of makeup. Honestly, I know ये बहुत लोगों का daily skincare होना चाहिए, like toner, moisturizing and all of that, but I'm just not a person who does all of this daily. So I love using this Face Shop का collagen pomegranate toner, but honestly this is like quite expensive. So you can use whatever toner that suits your skin. I'm not going to be recommending anything specific. So use whatever you like. But yes, do not skip a toner when you wash your face on a heavy makeup day. Okay, next moving on to moisturizers. It's the same, the chia seed moisturizer and the Wow ka aloe vera gel. Okay, now let's move on to the face mask. Like, this is like my favorite thing because these are all DIYs. Now the very first face mask that I highly recommend is using a bit of multani mitti, and you can use it with some rose water or normal water, whatever you want. Rose water is definitely much beneficial, but whatever you want. Okay, and just mix it and apply it on your face for like 10-15 minutes till the time it's completely dry. Oh my goodness, I freaking love that one. I mean, इतना एकदम ठंडक पहुंचाता है तुम्हारे face का. It's really good. Now second type of face mask is just take some turmeric powder and mix with a spoon of curd and you're good to go. Mix it, make it a paste and apply it for like 10-15 minutes, and it's gonna give that such a nice glow to your face. I really love that one as well. But of course, completely depends. आप 10 दिन में भी use कर सकते हो, 15 दिन में भी, whatever you wish. So these are the two types of face masks. Now we are moving on to the face scrub. Now for face scrub, okay, you of course you have a lot of product in the market, you can use that. But for DIY, I'll tell you, for people who really love to exfoliate their skin in like every 3-4 days, what you can do is just take a half lemon and उसके ऊपर you can put some sugar का वो जो छोटा छोटा दाना आता है ना वो, and you can just try exfoliating your entire face with that. Oh my goodness, that's like really good, a good way, and you can use this every 3 to 4 days. So if you are a person who loves exfoliating, you can use this step. And the second one that you can use every once in a week or something, take some coffee powder, add a spoon of aloe vera gel and add a spoon of sugar. Do not make it like a paste, but yeah, mix it well, and don't let the sugar scrubs really melt inside, because what you have to do is once you apply it, आपको एकदम मस्त वाला शुगर से ही उसको स्क्रब करना है. वो कॉफ़ी और जो शुगर एक साथ में होगा ना, वो कॉफ़ी के जो छोटे छोटे दाने होंगे, that's gonna scrub your face इतना अच्छे से that you will actually see the difference. And that's it for today's video. I do have a few more DIYs, but I really want you guys to first try these out. अगर ये काम आते हैं, if you feel like they're working, then let me know in the comment section. I will make more videos of DIYs because I love home remedies, and that's something that really works for me. Second, please avoid cosmetics. It is not really good for your skin. Also, avoid watching a lot of skincare routines. It is not something that you would want to do if you are not somebody who really applies a lot of makeup. Trust me, skincare routine से वो लोग बनाते हैं जिनके फेस पे बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप पूरा एवरी नाउ एंड देन होता है और उनको सच में ज़रूरत है उस रूटीन की. आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है तो मत अप्लाई करो ये सब कुछ. Anyways, that's it for today's video. For more such things, you can actually follow me on my Instagram because I put a lot of stories about such things. And that's it. I'll see you guys next time in the next video. I hope this video really helped you out. Bye bye.